Dietmar has bought a, what is this?
A380.
An A380 to the flight line. It's a little pusher.
Yeah.
But nonetheless, I think the hall is big enough for you to fly this in, Dietmar?
Oh, I will try to do my best.
Yeah, all right.
So.
So who makes this one, Dietmar? This isn't one of your scratch builds, is it?
No, it's not, unfortunately, but I would like to be able to do it. Jurgen Scholne is the craftsman, or how to say, so he did it.
Jurgen did this one as well?
Yes, right. And I'm so amazed of the flying characteristics.
It's fantastic, isn't it?
But I'm starting to build my own forming machine now to do also the forming of the foams with vacuum forming.
Yeah.
Landing lights on.
Perfect landing. So this runs off a single cell LiPo, is that right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, just a small single cell LiPo which runs the two pusher props and the lighting system and the servos. Brilliant.
So guess the weight.
Weighs practically nothing, I would guess. Tell me.
19.8 grams.
19.8 grams. I mean, it's nothing. Could you hold it up for me?
Yes. I did build the landing gear.
You did?
Everything else is from Jurgen.
Okay. You're talking about the little holes in the wings.
Yeah, very, very important not to damage the motors, otherwise the props touch
for launching.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thanks very much.
Craftsman, or how to say, so he did it.
Perfect landing.